Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore 3 basic but super useful automations you can set up using Boost.space. These automations will help you organize tasks, manage orders, and streamline product data effortlessly. So let's get started. Step 1. Access Boost.space. Open your browser and navigate to the Boost.space website. Log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up first. We've covered the sign up process in a previous video, so make sure to check that out. Step 2. Navigate to the marketplace. Once you're logged in, go to the Osmos Marketplace or Roma section of Boost.space. This is where you'll find all the available automation tools or app flows to install and use. Step 3. Install Task Essentials Automation. Search for Synchronize, Task Essentials, wire, in the marketplace. Click on it to learn more about this automation. Description. Task Essentials helps you organize and manage your tasks and projects across systems. It tracks every detail to optimize workflows, ensure timely deliveries, and enhance overall productivity. Click on the Rise. Install a button to add this automation to your workspace. Set up the connections and customize the settings according to your specific needs. Step 4. Install Orders, Essentials, Automation. Click on this automation to explore its features. Orders. Essentials helps you manage orders seamlessly, from placement to delivery. It automates processes, syncs data, and enriches order information to enhance efficiency and accuracy. Click on Install Later to add it to your workspace. Configure the setup based on your business requirements. Step 5. Install Products, Sync for Shopify automation. Return to the marketplace and search for bought products. Sync for Shopify. Click on it to review its functionality. This automation streamlines Shopify product data with two-way synchronization. It ensures consistent and enriched product listings across your platforms. If you need assistance, you can click on the How to Install Resource guide provided for step-by-step instructions. Step 6. Customize and use your automations. Once all 3 automations are installed, connect them to the relevant apps or platforms based on your workflow. Adjust the settings to align with your specific needs and goals. And there you have it. 3 essential automations you can start using with Boost.space to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.